Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a very quick tutorial on how I made some alerts for you that were inspired by Star Wars Jedi: The Fallen Order. And then at the end I'll tell you how you can download these alerts and use them on your stream for free. So my husband recently streamed Star Wars Jedi: The Fallen Order, and while I was watching his stream, I was inspired by some of the motion graphics in the game. I was literally just sitting there thinking. So instead of just watching his stream, I decided to watch and make some alerts for you. I know, multitasking. It's pretty cool. I'm really happy with how these alerts turned out, but first I just want to show you a very quick tutorial on how I made them. So I started out with a basic dark gray rectangle in Illustrator. Grabbed the corners, pulled them in to make them rounded, copied the layer, changed it to no fill, and then a stroke of whatever color I was using, in this case yellow. Then I used my Noun Project subscription to get a heart icon, inserted that, scaled it down to the size I wanted, and centered it on the bottom of the shape. Then I made a copy of the icon, added a stroke to it to get a kind of outline around where it looks like the lines do not intersect with the icon itself. I also added a path to the icon that has the stroke on it so that you can only see the top part of it, so you don't get a stroke around the bottom portion of the icon either. Then I just added my text. In this case, for my example, I'm using Kenyan Coffee, just to show you guys a text that I thought would look good with this alert. Testing it with a long username for you, and then we just got to center the text, and boom, it's done. So now switching over to After Effects, I brought in all my layers from my Illustrator file. I added a radial wipe to the stroked shape so that the lines appear to come out of the icon on the bottom and wrap around the rest of the shape. And that's all the animation I was planning for this alert, like for the core animation. Then in my final alert, just to add some fade in and stuff for you, I decided to add a fade in with a slight scale down so it looks like it's kind of like flying in to the screen, and then a simple fade out at the end for you, and there's your alert. I have these alerts available for you in yellow, purple, red, blue, and green. There is an alert for a new follower, subscriber, cheer, tip, host, raid, and merchandise purchase. So hopefully those cover all the bases for you. Right now on the screen, you'll see examples for the different variations that I have in all the different colors, all the different icons. Now here's an example of what the alert could look like on your stream. I hope you all enjoyed this video and liked the designs. If you did, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe and ring that bell so you know when I post more videos. I'm working on some more free designs for you to use on your streams and or YouTube videos, so keep an eye out for those coming in the near future. I just want to remind you that I do stream on Twitch every Tuesday and Thursday at twitch.tv/bbgun. So go give me a follow over there and come hang out during a live stream. We can talk about games, and if you have any questions on these designs, feel free to ask me in chat. You can also follow me on Twitter at itsbbgun and Instagram at itsbbgun for important stream updates and just life updates in general. Mostly life updates, actually. I'll put links for those down in the description below. There is also a download link below for you to download all these alerts, but I will also post them in my Discord for you. I have a free designs channel in my Discord that you can access all the designs that I have given you guys, including these ones. They will be in there when this video goes live. I also post any updates to these designs in that free designs channel. In fact, I recently just added some different color variations for some old alerts that I have given you guys, and the gradient webcam frames that I provided a couple videos ago. I'll put a link to my Discord down in the description below. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.